Davis.
Thank you, Mark. Okay guys, the Northern gets immediately up here, but quite frankly, I'm just a figurehead for a tremendous organisation out here. And I couldn't have done this without anybody without these guys around me. So what we're going to do on behalf of the Cedar Hot Summer Board and the Executive Board and myself present this Wonderstruck Prize. Guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your help. For the GDS and everybody else out here, and for everybody here, thank you for coming to Toledo. We look forward to seeing you in Florida in 2 years. Thanks a lot. Now then, without further ado, I'd like to pull the trooper of STV Mike Walton to relieve me of my duties. Paul, I'm very grateful you're here because now I'm on the top. So on behalf of the State of Hot Summer Board, the Gallup of North America, it's my distinct pleasure to give you the Wonderstruck Prize. Congratulations and good luck in 2 years. But in order for you to get to the event, you certainly need this. Congratulations, guys. Okay, Toledo, this is it. We're off the clock. Party on rock